Check it out. There's going off the head on this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They had an objective.
Yeah.
Has an objective. That was their objective.
Why is nature more real than
And he
human?
was expecting
And that means all
some sort of
animals.
health issue.
We're not part of nature, are we? You let me know about that one. What makes something part of nature? They found their balance. Have you heard me talk about finding your balance? Huh? So we're not part of here. So what does that make us? Are we meant to be carers? Do we come here to care? Do we come here to destroy? Do we come here to have fun and party and joke the world around? Like we like to do still now with ourselves. What do you reckon? I've got my opinion. It's not too hard. In fact, science and the way they teach us shows us the truth. But it says, look over there. Oh, okay. Yeah. That's why I've been talking about certain things. And then it gets to a point where it becomes a waste of breath. That's where they like you to sit. We got them. See? And then the rest of the world trucks on. Huh? As they envy each other's friends, countries. That country gets to get all he wants. He has 50 wives. How could I slowly get to that? I want to have 50 wives. Doesn't that sound like humans? Do you think they go, no, I won't have 50 wives, even though I could, and I'll just have one, and I'll go tell him off, and I'll keep talking about how he's wrong, and he shouldn't have 50 wives. No, behind the scenes, I'll actually envy it. And then what do you see over time? Exactly. Have a good one.